Ever feel like your date nights have gone stale? Or worse, they've turned into just another Netflix and nothing special kind of evening? You're not alone. Tons of couples are living in separate bedrooms and parallel lives while in the same home. Today, we're spicing things up with 3 unique at-home date night ideas that will not only be fun, yet deepen your connection and bring you closer to the life you want to create together. I have saved the best one for last, so stay tuned. Think about something you've always wanted to try together. For example, why not create your very own pizza night? Gather the ingredients, roll out some fun. Don't be concerned if the situation becomes chaotic. The appeal of lopsided pizza is that they elicit laughter. And be sure to actually have dinner plans on backup to order. Or for a totally different vibe, turn your living room into a paint and sip studio. No painting skills, no problem. The goal isn't a masterpiece, it's laughter. You go to YouTube and find a virtual painting class and follow along. Get all the supplies you need ahead of time. Now, if food or art isn't your thing, don't worry. I've got something for the deep thinkers out there. Try a relationship goal check-in. Don't let the name scare you, it's supposed to be fun. Start by writing down interesting or unexpected questions on little tiny pieces of paper and put them in a jar. Think outside the box, like what would you do during the zombie apocalypse? What's one thing you'd love for us to accomplish together in the next year if we won $1 million? Toss them into a jar, a bowl, take turns picking one to answer. What's fun about this is it blends laughter with deeper understanding. You'll find yourself discovering new things about one another, even if you've been together for years. And for those of you dating someone new, this is perfect to see how much you're actually in alignment with one another. The next idea focuses on dreaming big together. If you're prepared to transition from conversation to action, what about a vision board night? This is so fun and one of my favorites because I like to do a list of things that feel creative, meaningful, and fun to look forward to yearly. Others really like scissors and the touch of magazines and poster board. I prefer to go digital with a list. Start by picking a theme, your relationship goals, career, or how you want your home to look in the next 3 years. As you create, you find yourself naturally talking about your hopes and dreams, and it's a chance to align your vision. And here's the best part, you can frame it or print it or keep it somewhere visible as a reminder of the life you're building. The truth is, you shape your relationships. These date nights aren't just fun, they're an investment in your connection and the dates that you want to create. So what are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more tips like this, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and the bell. Catch me next week. I release new videos Wednesdays at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.